Tuesday Squawk, welcome back. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen getting serious about clamping down on stablecoins, meeting with regulators today. Talk about this growing investment trend. Now, CNBC.com's Mackenzie Segalos joins us now for more. Mackenzie, what is the issue with this class of digital asset? I mean, why the clampdown?
Hey, good morning, Martin. So there's been an ongoing controversy about these US dollar pegged stablecoins like Tether and USDT. But the reason that they're in the spotlight now is that the market has gotten so big. These tokens are increasingly being used in domestic and international transactions, which is scary for central banks because they don't have much of a say in how this space is regulated. So this presidential panel convened today by Janet Yellen is discussing ways to change that. The group of the country's top financial regulators is expected to issue written recommendations in the coming months. This meeting is also likely setting the stage for the Fed's efforts to develop its own virtual currency, which would essentially just be a digital twin of the US dollar, so fully regulated and under a central authority.
Okay, Mackenzie, as we're talking, I mean, there is growing concern from authorities all over the world around cryptos, also crypto mining, and we've had reports that Malaysia just destroyed more than 1,000 rigs used to make coins, right? I mean, what exactly happened there? Because as far as I know, mining, Bitcoin mining or crypto mining in Malaysia is not illegal.
Exactly. So in Malaysia, it's not illegal to mine for cryptocurrency. But what's happening there is that a lot of these miners are tampering with power supply lines in order to get free electricity. And that is illegal. So most recently on the island of Borneo, police confiscated more than 1,000 rigs from a Bitcoin mining farm that was stealing electricity. And instead of reselling this gear, authorities actually laid out all of this mining equipment in a parking lot at police headquarters and used a steamroller to crush them. There's a pretty wild video of this literal crypto crackdown that went viral on social media over the weekend. I spoke with the Assistant Commissioner of Police overseeing this operation, and he told me that the miners allegedly stole $2 million worth of electricity, and we know that at least 8 people have been arrested in connection with this incident. Martin?
Okay, great stuff. Mackenzie, thank you. Appreciate the time. Do it again very soon, I hope. Mackenzie Segalos there, CNBC.com, joining us live.